Today we are going to make a super delicious egg curry. You can get more details about this recipe in dailylife.lk site. For the egg curry, first we need to add onions, tomatoes, green chilies, cinnamon, garlic, rampe and coconut milk into your cooking pot. Now add turmeric powder, fenugreek, curry powder, salt and pepper. Mix all these ingredients very well and keep the pot on the stove. Then we need to cook this curry well while stirring continuously. Until the curry is ready, we can cut our eggs into half. When the curry is ready, add boiled eggs and mix gently. Cook the curry about 5 minutes more and get it out of the stove. This super delicious egg curry is a very quick and easy one, which is best enjoyed with rice, string hoppers, bread and many more. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share. Also, subscribe the channel and ring the bell. See you soon with another delicious change.